name is Kaylin Hurd. I'm a senior marketing major, educational media minor at James Madison University. I'm going to talk about my experience studying abroad in Italy 2 summers ago during Maymester. I had the opportunity to study abroad in Florence, Italy and Perugia, Italy, and it was during the 3 weeks of Maymester. And it was a cross-cultural psychology program, so we really got to immerse ourselves into the culture. One of the best things about the entire time is we were never in a classroom. We just did a bunch of different day trips to 12 other cities, and we just got to experience the culture through seeing churches and wine tastings and just eating with the locals. And we got to see small cities or little towns and then big cities, and really just got to experience what it's like to be in Italy. One of my favorite days when we were in Italy is when we got the opportunity to go to Rome. So we actually did Rome all in one day, which is a lot. We woke up at 4 a.m. and got on a train, like a 2-hour train ride, and went to the city. And we hit like 7 of the top 10 tourist locations in Rome, which was kind of crazy. We were running from place to place. It started with a guided tour of the Colosseum, and it actually started pouring down rain while we were in the guided tour. So we all had to get rainbow ponchos, and we were running around Rome in these rainbow ponchos. We looked like a bunch of Crayola crayons. And then we got to see other things like the Trevi Fountain and the Colosseum, which was just really cool to see all the history that Rome has to offer. And we got to all just have meals together and just experience the culture and see some other landmarks. And that was definitely probably my favorite day when we were in Italy. One of my favorite parts about our day in Rome was probably going to the Colosseum. And the guided tour was really interesting. The guy really made it easy to imagine what it would be like back then, and I really appreciate learning about the different architecture and the history that went along with the Colosseum. And it was really just crazy to think about what it would have been like back then. Overall, Italy was a really enlightening experience, and it was just an incredible opportunity to get immersed into the culture and really learn what Italian culture is all about.